Good morning to all. In this video, we will discuss about structural analysis 1 subject as per Anna University 2017 regulation. Subject code for structural analysis 1 is CE 8502. It belongs to Civil Department for regulation 2017 in the third year 5th semester. Main objective of this subject is to analyze a structure, either beam or frame. So in some methods we will analyze for the truss members also, based on various methods like strain energy method, slope deflection method, moment distribution method, flexibility method, stiffness method. All of them are classical methods. In all the methods, we will analyze the beam or frame to calculate the reactions, moments, to draw the bending moment diagram as well as shear force diagram. Overall aim of this subject is to analyze the structure and calculate the bending moment and shear force diagram based on various methods. First method, Unit 1, strain energy method. Strain energy method mostly based on the casting loss theorem. In casting loss theorem, we already discussed in previous semesters strength of material 1 and strength of material 2. Continuous of that subject is structural analysis 1. In strength of material subject, we will discuss mostly based on strain energy, volume strain, stress, strain, like that terms. In that method, we will discuss casting loss first theorem and second theorem. Based on that method, strain energy method calculation will be arrived to calculate the bending moment diagrams. For this subject, first of all, basic is we must know the difference between static determinant structure and static indeterminate structure. Second, static indeterminacy and kinematic indeterminacy. These are the few terms we have to clear and get idea to solve the problems. After that, difference between sway condition and non-sway condition, and fixed end moment formula for various conditions like point load condition, UDL condition, and reaction calculation, as well as equilibrium conditions, summation V, summation H, summation M is equal to 0. These are the basic terms we must gain knowledge from the strength of material subject. After that, we will introduce the new steps based on the various methods. First, Unit 1, strain energy method. In strain energy method, we will analyze the given beam and truss members as well as frame members based on the casting loss theorem. For the strain energy method, the basic is reaction calculation and casting loss theorem. After that, we will arrive the reaction calculation as well as bending moment diagram. In truss member calculation, we have to know about some of the points like method of joints. In method of joints concept, we will calculate the summation V and summation H, summation M equilibrium condition. Based on the equilibrium condition and method of joints concept, truss member using strain energy method is arrived for calculation of forces in each and every members. This is the overall concept in Unit 1 using strain energy method analysis. Unit 2, slope deflection method. Slope deflection method is purely based on slope deflection equations. In this unit also we will discuss based on continuous beam, frame, as well as settlement cases. Settlement cases will either occur in beam or frame condition. The steps mostly involved in slope deflection method will be slope deflection equation calculation and equilibrium condition newly adapted for slope deflection equation methods. In this method, analysis based on continuous beam with and without settlement and framed condition, either non-sway or sway condition, as well as T-shaped framed structure. Overall view, we will discuss about slope deflection equation, equilibrium condition, settlement and theta value for various support condition. Based on this, we will arrive the bending moment diagram as well as shear force diagram. Unit 3, moment distribution method. Moment distribution method purely based on the carryover factor and relative stiffness and distribution concept. It will framed in tabular column. After that, we will calculate the each and every moment for each and every member's point. In this concept, we will arrive analysis of continuous beam, framed and support condition for continuous beam and framed condition using settlements. Unit 4, flexibility method. Flexibility method, either it will be asked like force method or compatibility method, because in this concept forces of the member is treated as unknown, as well as compatibility conditions are used for calculation of moment values as well as member forces value. Therefore, this method will be asked as force method or compatibility method also. In this method, we will analyze continuous beam, framed structure as well as truss member using flexibility method. In analysis of truss member, as already told in strain energy method, we will introduce the method of joints concept for calculation of each and every forces. It is mostly similar to first unit for analysis of truss. Only last flexibility method or strain energy concept of formula only varies. Other all steps are same like method of joints. Unit 5, stiffness method. Stiffness method is also called as displacement method or equilibrium method, because in this concept displacement is considered as unknown. In flexibility method, they treated forces as unknown. In displacement method, stiffness method, displacement is treated as unknown. Therefore, it is called as displacement method. In this method, equilibrium conditions are used. Therefore, it is also called as equilibrium method. In this method also, we will analyze continuous beam, framed structure for calculation of bending moment diagram and shear force diagram. Overall concept of structure analysis 5 unit is based on purely bending moment diagram as well as shear force diagram only. In first unit and fourth unit only, we will analyze the truss members in addition to continuous beam and framed structure. Otherwise, overall 5 unit will be purely based on continuous beam analysis as well as framed structure analysis in with or without settlement case. After the completion of this course, student will be able to gain knowledge about strain energy method, slope deflection method, moment distribution method, flexibility method, stiffness method analysis using any framed structure and continuous beam structure for calculation of bending moment as well as shear force diagram. Textbooks and reference books are marked as given below. In addition to that, we have one best book also. We will discuss in future units. This is the overall concept. We are going to discuss in the future videos. For regulation 2017 structural analysis 1 subject, Based on this, in next semester we will study structural analysis 2 in 6th semester. That will be based on bridges, arches, like that in advanced. In this subject we will discuss for buildings like components for beam and column, frame, overall structure of building. In future structural 2 we will discuss for arched structure, bridges, likewise we will discuss. Thank you.